All right, guys, you heard it. Shane, #1 Stunner, called us out, said he didn't care about no turbo cars. We were getting the back tire. We accepted the call out. Randy said we didn't need the back tire. Let's go heads up. Here we go. Grudge racing at its finest. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here. We made it 710 Dragway. Randy's car is out here, Courtney's car is out here, and Mike's over there as well. It's a Grudge race, Shane Hunt. It's got the red car down there, nitrous motor, big nitrous motor. We got a small turbocharged motor. Should be a good drag race. They offered us the back tire. I don't think Randy wants to take the back tire. I think Randy wants to just go heads up. They like left lane, we like left lane. Maybe since they were going to give us the back tire, they'll give us lane choice, but if not, that's fine too. Right lane will probably be good as well. So we're fixing to go up there now. I'm gonna put the tune in this thing. We're gonna go up there in about 30 minutes, get us a Grudge race with Shane, #1 Stunna. They fast. It's gonna be a good drag race, and then we're gonna hop in the actual race. There's $5,000 to win today. Free entry, can't beat it, guys. Here we go, coming up. If y'all want to support the channel, go to turbojohnracing.com, grab yourself some hats and t-shirts, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. All right, so we're fixed to race. Terry Wayne, Shane, #1 Stunner. We got to flip for a coin. We got to get it. Anybody got a quarter? Anybody got a quarter?
Put the power back off.
I don't care. I mean,
I got a quarter. All right, then.
We'll take right lane.
Since you won't ride, we'll take left.
That's fine. Be careful. Good luck. All right, here we go. He's right. right, guys, so here we go. We're up here. This is our Grudge race off the trailer. #1 Stunner, big block Chevrolet. I think it's Chevrolet. Randy's car is turbo. It's #1 Stunner is Nitrous. So we're going to go make a pass. They're fixing to, I think they said they're going to spray the track real fast. Beautiful day out here. It's very nice temperature, 60, 62 degrees. Courtney's ready to go make a lick. Boom, y'all. He thinks. He don't know. We don't know. We hopefully what all changes you did?
You just replaced the rear end.
And power wise, you put a bigger pulley on it, so it's gonna slow down.
Slow it down.
I'm pulling 10 degrees of timing on the launch.
So we're trying to make the first pass a turd, right?
It ought to freaking just go down at like a 125, 130, 60 foot. It should. But if it don't, then I mean, as long as the belt stays on.
We just want to see what it's like to go down it with a belt.
A belt, the full
to
pass.
Go out the backside and the belt still be on it.
Yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? So his rear end looks good. Uncle Mike done a great job. He did a good job painting it. Got everything done on that, so that looks good. Go check out the comment on his channel, the Paint and Paper Hustle. He's got that thing going. So here we go, guys. They're spraying right now. Knock the tire off, but we got to win. We got to win. All right, Randy for the win. All right, went pretty fast. Didn't go as fast as we did. I think it let off a little bit early. If you didn't let off a little early, we're about 10 mile an hour down. Good window. Okay, let's go. We'll pull that along and see what we got. Jennifer came out.
Hey, hey.
All right, guys, I just pulled the data log. Randy let off a little bit early. Courtney's fixing to go make a pass right now, so we're gonna run up there. All right, guys, so Courtney's didn't really work the way we had hoped. Something happened and the rev limiter didn't come on. Trans brake applied, but it didn't actually go to the two-step. It should have been at like 34, 3500, 3200. It went to 6300. Basically, it just flashed the converter, and it was at 16.5 pounds of boost. So that is why it spun like it spun. So yeah, so only a couple things could be wrong. Wiring the button, maybe the wire that goes to the Holly to tell it to go on the rev limiter may have come loose, or we gotta look at it. We gotta investigate.